Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. So, oh my god, I feel like my forehead looks so big. Does my forehead look big? Do I look crazy? But anywho, we just got our eyebrows threaded. We went to this salon that's pretty nearby that we normally go to. It's an all-women salon. We love it. Zoe got her eyebrows threaded as well. But yeah, so I'm opening up the vlog. I think I'm gonna vlog this whole weekend because we have some things planned to do tomorrow, and I'm not really sure what else we'll do today. But yeah, so
to the mall.
We're going to the mall.
I want to look for just for
Oh, well, we're gonna go to the mall. I didn't even know we were gonna do that. So we're about to go to the mall. We're going right now. Oh, okay. So yeah, so let's go to the mall. Okay, guys. So we're in this store called Typo, and they just have like cute like little knickknack stuff. And like, it makes me want to get a dog so bad once I graduate from college. Cause like, look how cute this would be. I want a Frenchie, by the way. Like, look how cute this bow would be. For a little like Frenchie. And look at the little water bottle. You know that guy on TikTok, he be like, EJ, come. Like, this is so adorable. But yeah, so like, this is definitely like really making me like, I really want to get a dog. Obviously after I have my own place and everything, because my parents not finna go for that. But yeah, I definitely really want to get a dog once I graduate. So Zoe just wanted to come in here to look at some things. They normally have some cute prints out. I don't see them really.
I don't have that many prints out.
But they had cute prints the last time we came. So if y'all have like a Typo or anything like that, I suggest go checking it out because it's normally got some cute stuff. But now we're finna head over to Dillard's, or we're just gonna keep stopping in.
New player?
It has to be. It's called Miss A. It looks like it.
I was going to go to Cuba.
But yeah, so right now we're just kind of walking around. We're on our way to Dillard's so Zoe can find a dress to wear tomorrow because we're supposed to be going to brunch with like one of my mom's like.
And it's at a nice place. So
it's at a really nice restaurant. Yeah, it's at a really nice restaurant. It's kind of one of the social like organizations our mom is in. They're having like their yearly brunch, so we're gonna tag along, and then we're also gonna go to like a gardening event with our mom as well.
But I already got an outfit for that. I already got an outfit.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing my tank top that has the opening with the sports bra, and then my leggings.
I was like, I'm gonna wear leggings, but I don't know what like shirt I'm gonna wear.
I'm just gonna be in all active wear.
But yeah, so that's what we're doing. But yeah. Okay, guys, so now we're in Dillard's looking for stuff. And let me tell y'all something. Don't sleep on department stores. I know a lot of people think that like department stores are for like old ladies, but I swear they're not. They have actually cute pieces. You just gotta look and make sure you know how to dress. Y'all just don't know how to dress. That'd be y'all problem. Y'all know how to dress and y'all don't know how to make something work and look cute. Because I found all my clothes I've been wearing for the internship at Dillard's, and I've gotten compliments on every single outfit, y'all. I can actually do like a little haul. Well, I did a haul in my last video, but maybe I'll do like a week of my outfits video once I get some more clothes, because I only got enough for like kind of the first week just to, you know, get through. And I didn't wear all of them because I didn't go into the office all the days, but maybe I'll make that video for y'all when I get like a good amount of business casual clothes and I can show y'all, because business casual does not have to be old lady. But anywho, we're looking for Zoe's dress. Hopefully we can find something. I feel like we will, because Dillard's don't disappoint when it comes to dresses, nice dresses. People just sleep on them. I hope I don't get copyrighted because they're definitely playing music. But let me help Zoe find a dress. Okay, y'all, good update. Zoe was able to find a dress for tomorrow. You want to show them? Yeah. Okay. This is the dress she's going to be wearing tomorrow for our brunch. Very cute. My dress I already have. It's at home. Yeah, it's actually the yellow one. Oh, it's the white and yellow striped dress that I actually got from Dillard's as well. It was in my last video. I did a haul in my last video. But yeah, so that's what we did. Now we're finna go get some lunch. I think we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A. We always get Chick-fil-A in the vlogs. Like every time I vlog, I swear we're always getting Chick-fil-A for lunch. Lunch or dinner, we're always getting Chick-fil-A. But yeah, so we're gonna head to Chick-fil-A, get some lunch, and then I guess, I don't know, maybe go home after that, I don't know. Or maybe our dad might want us to meet him somewhere because he's going out. So now people are looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm vlogging in public, but I don't really care. So yeah. Okay, that's a lot later. But we just wanted to, excuse me, I'm about to go to bed as y'all can see, but we just wanted to spending the rest of the day pretty much at home. My dad went and got papados for dinner, but he got it to go, so he brought it home. I took my shower. I pin curled my hair to save me some time getting ready in the morning. And now I'm sitting watching Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, not Beverly Hills, of New Jersey before I go to bed. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning on Sunday. Good morning, everyone. So we're heading into brunch. We're at this hotel in Houston called Hotel Zaza, and there's a restaurant inside called the Monarch, and that's where we're going for brunch today. I'm with Zoe. My cousin's also with us, but wait, where y'all at? My cousin Robin. But yeah, so we're heading in. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now we gotta find our people. Where's Miss Ann going? Oh, they're going over there. But yeah, okay, y'all, so we're inside. The restaurant's very, very beautiful, very classy. We're sitting on the terrace part of the restaurant. This one? But yeah, so we got our own table, which is fine by me. So they only gave us 2 glasses? We don't have 3 glasses? But yeah, so we're inside the terrace part of the restaurant. Hold on, right now. But yeah, it's real cute. Period. Brunch day. But yeah, so let me put my bag down and now I'm gonna look at the menu. Okay, y'all, so I ordered the French toast. We got our mimosas. Robin also ordered the French toast with scrambled eggs, and then Zoe got their chicken and waffles. Yum. So we just finished eating. We're waiting for my mom and like her group that she's with to finish eating. Oh, they're done eating. I think they're just talking. But yeah, so look how pretty it is in here. This is the Monarch, and it's inside of Hotel Zaza in Houston, Texas. It's by the Museum District. But yeah, so I don't know what else we're gonna do. I think we might we're going gardening later, obviously. And then, I don't know, Zoe and I were talking about going to Target. You wanna show me your dress? Let's give an OOTD. Wait, okay, let's do an OOTD. Okay, y'all, so my dress is from Dillard's. My shoes are Shein. I have my Kate Spade bag, but I'll get that after Zoe does hers. I'll do it. Yeah, Robin come do that. My OOTD, my dress is from Dillard's. My shoes are Espadrilles. I think they're from Burlington. Cute. Okay, hey y'all, my dress is from Ross. Cute. My purse is from Forever 21, and my shoes are from Target. Period. Those are our brunch. Oh, and here's the bag that I'm sporting today, and that's from K-State. Those are our OTDs for brunch. Okay, y'all, so now we're finna head over into Houston to go do the gardening part. We're doing this with my mom's sorority. She's a Delta, so they're having like a gardening event, and she's able to bring non-members. So yeah, so pretty excited because Zoe and I actually have planted stuff this summer. Check out my vlog about that if you haven't seen it. You want to give it an OOTD? OOTD. You want me to flip it, or you so honestly like this?
It's put on my thing.
Oh wait, yeah. I'm about to set y'all guys up. Okay.
That might be too hot. Put it out there.
1 second. Technical difficulties. Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's get it. This is a OTD shirt from Old Navy, and then it has this little cutout in the back. So the sports bras also from Old Navy. You see the detail with the leggings?
Y'all see this?
My leggings are Fabletics. My shoes are Nikes. My sunnies are Target.
Okay, so my OOTD, it's a cheetah print top. This is actually Zoe's, because I gave away all my like tops like this. My short, ooh, excuse me, I'm burped. Okay, let me try that over. My shirt is Zoe's. It's actually like a leopard print. The leggings are from Gymshark. They're like the ones with the band. And then I also have on my Nike Flyknits. And then my sunglasses, I think these are from Shein. They're either from Shein or Target. I want to say they're from Shein. And then I don't remember where I got this headband. I've had this headband. But yeah. So y'all can see like the leopard print. Hold on. There y'all go. Y'all can see the leopard print. But yeah, so we're finna head in the car. Driving over to Houston.
Oh,
and
my tote. Hold on. Because I wasn't going to bring my tote, but now I'm bringing my tote.
Maybe I should bring mine.
Rayo and Honey.
Oh, let me put my stuff
check
in yours.
her out. She's a small brand in New York.
Let me put my stuff in yours because yours zips up.
Okay.
Mine doesn't zip.
Go like my new reel.
Go like her new reel.
Zoe Eats.
Zoe Eats. And go follow us on Instagram. I'll tag both. Our Instagram, mine is just my name, Mikayla Wilkins _, and hers is Zoe. Or is that Dot?
It's Zoe Dot Wilkins.
Zoe Dot Wilkins. Okay. But yeah, we're finna head out. Y'all, I'm out here trying to be one with nature. I know y'all see the lot behind me. They don't have any horses on this farm. I thought they would. They have horses on some of the other farms by it. But yeah, I got my gloves. And we're about to get to gardening. Oh, hold on. How about to say the sun in my face, but I brought shades. The shades. Zoe said I'm giving like when the Real Housewives go on their like hikes and stuff. She said that's what I look like. Am I giving Phaedra Banks? So this is my little, it's like a little grow pot. I forgot what they call it. But I planted watermelon seeds in mine. And I also have onion seeds to plant as well. But I'm not going to do that right now. And here is just my watermelon. And so we just sat through the whole entire event. And we kind of like were walked through how to plant, how to water, how to know what to plant. And I hope I could just at least grow one watermelon by the end of summer.
I don't know which one she is.
That's the goal.